Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Kurmlavich. I am from Curl Vitality, and today we're going to be talking about the Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps cleanser. We'll be going over who it's for, who maybe should be careful of it, a lot about the ingredients, and I'll also be talking about what to do if your shampoo makes your hair feel really dry when you rinse it out. So let's get started. As I said, we are going to be talking about the Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps cleanser. This is actually it. It does come in a different package, which I no longer have. Ecoslay products are small batch made, and they're all really eco-friendly and eco-conscious. So they come in these recyclable little packets, and then you can buy on their site mason jars that have their little names on it with these little toppers to put the products in. Every time you order from them, you can just refill the mason jar instead of wasting an entire another plastic bottle. We love that. Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps is a product inside of the November 2022 Curls Monthly mailer. So if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello. If you are not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curly hair products directly to your door so you can try them out, make sure that they're great for your hair before you buy them. As you can see, Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps is a liquid cleanser. So it's supposed to be like this, like it's really runny, it's not thick at all in your hands. It's meant to add nourishment, especially to parched strands. The ingredient formulation is incredible, and we'll get into that in a second. It does give you a nice, very gentle cleanse. It's not a co-wash, meaning like it does not have all these extra creamy moisturizing ingredients. It is a cleanser, but it's kind of on the border of a co-wash, meaning it's just like that very, very gentle cleanse, which is very much needed. And a full size of it retails at $14, which is a complete steal. I would say that Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps is definitely best for drier hair types or hair strands that tend to be thirsty. It can be used on all hair types, wavy, curly, or coily, even straight. And I would say maybe people with very oily scalps should be careful of using this product. I would say if you're only ever using this product and never clarifying, I would say again, maybe be a little bit careful of that. It is a gentle cleanser. Everybody needs to clarify, but just make sure you're clarifying when you're using this, or if you have lots of buildup on that wash day. So you want to use this when you don't have too much buildup, when you just need a light, gentle, feel good, fresh cleanser. How do you use it? You basically use it like a normal shampoo, and it's going to be the same for all hair types. And basically what you're going to do is just put that in your palm, get that a little bit lathery, and then just place it on all areas of your scalp. From there, you're gonna take the pads of your finger and just massage in a circular motion all over your head for a good solid 60 Mississippi. You can bring it a little down past your roots if you feel need be, but for the main part, cleansers are just supposed to stick to your roots and your scalp. Then when you're ready to rinse it out, you're just going to drop your head back over the shower and let the shower water run down your hair so the product can kind of run down your hair and very gently cleanse your ends. If at first you use this product and on the first shampoo you're not getting a good sud to your hair, then you can use that shampoo again. So that's when you would like lather, rinse, repeat type of a thing. But that's it, super easy to use. It definitely makes your hair feel really nice. At least it makes my hair feel really nice. I've been using this product for a little over a year, so I have a lot of experience with it. I do really like it. I've bought it quite a few times myself. So let's look a little bit inside of the ingredients as to why we might really like this product. In general, Ecoslay has really, really, really earth conscious and hair conscious friendly ingredients. I 10 out of 10 love every formulation that they have. I'm really not just saying that. They really take good care to make sure that they are just really great formulations. And I also must say that all Ecoslay products also must be refrigerated. So because there's not these crazy preservatives inside of their products, they usually do recommend to refrigerate the products. So I would just stick my little jar into the refrigerator, and super easy, just take it out when you need to wash your hair. So the first ingredient on here is marshmallow infused water. This is great for soothing and relieving your scalp and hair. It's super rich in vitamins and can actually treat things like eczema, psoriasis, and dry scalp. Next on the list, we have aloe vera, which is fantastic for hair growth, as well as it's an antibacteria solution. So it's also great for that, giving you that cleanse and just giving your scalp like a nice clean feel. Then the next 4 ingredients are Theobroma coca, plantain skin, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil. All 4 of these ingredients are actually what makes African black soap. So a lot of times African black soap is really popular for like skin. I use it to clean my makeup brushes. Those 4 ingredients that are within African black soap. We love African black soap because it gives such a nice, gentle oil-based cleanse. And again, it's antibacterial. Next up, we have jojoba oil that dissolves dirt and buildup. We also have honey, which is really great at cleaning your hair follicles. Rosemary improves hair growth. Peppermint is another great ingredient to help fight any scalp issues. And actually, lavender is in there at the end, which is really great for fighting alopecia. So as I said in the beginning, I just wanted to talk a little bit about why your shampoo should not dry out your hair when you rinse it out and what to do if it does. So the reason why I wanted to bring this up today is because the Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps is one of the few shampoos that aren't a co-wash that does not make my hair feel like hay after it's rinsed out. That feeling that your hair feels like very dry or straw-like does not happen to everybody. You might have never felt that in your life, especially if your hair tends to be a little bit more on the high porosity side, or maybe it's more greasy usually. But it happens a lot for my dry prone, very low porosity hair. And basically what that means is that shampoo is not necessarily a bad shampoo, but that shampoo is not great for you on that day. If you're stuck with that type of shampoo and you want to use the bottle before you use the whole shampoo, my advice for you would be to actually condition, shampoo, condition. So condition your hair just a little bit, just add a little bit of conditioner on, rinse that out so then you can shampoo. And when you go in with that shampoo, it won't make your hair feel nearly as like straw and hay, like, oh, I hate that feeling. And then you would condition as normal, using like a lot more conditioner, brushing it through as you normally would. Now, if your current shampoo does make your hair feel that way and you are open to getting a new shampoo, like I said, this is one that does not make my hair feel dry, but if you have Curls Monthly, great time for you to try it, see if it makes your hair feel dry, see if it's really great for your hair, and just kind of test around with other Curls Monthly products. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if it helps you at all. Let me know below if this Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps shampoo made your hair feel dry or if it made it feel nice and clean and moisturized like it makes mine. And if you are interested, I will put the link to subscribe to Curls Monthly below so you can get these products to try out in your own home. See you next time.